Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I have just arrived at the Salt Lake City Airport in a brand new terminal and I've got some time on my hands, so I'm going to take the opportunity to check out the new Delta Sky Club here at SLC. Come along with me. That's the Delta Sky Club right over there behind me. I'm going to go in right now. I'm really looking forward to this because this is the largest Sky Club. The entrance to this Sky Club is on the departures level, but the lounge itself is up one level higher. This is the first time I've entered a Sky Club using a kiosk, and I wondered if I'd get the "thank you for being a diamond medallion" recognition that agents would normally offer to me, but that message showed up on the screen as I was cleared into the Sky Club. Of course, there was a representative there should I had needed any assistance, but my entry was seamless, and I loved the wall with blue triangles reminiscent of the Delta logo as I turned the corner to ascend via escalator to the top, where I'll have 28,000 square feet to explore during my time here. The Sky Club was built along with the entire new terminal and sits on the east end of the A concourse near the security checkpoint. While the entire terminal is beautiful, this brand new Sky Club is stunning, and I feel fortunate that I'm able to spend some time here. As soon as you reach the top of the escalator, you find artwork, and I especially like the art exhibit straight ahead, which incorporates light into the art itself. Turning to the left gives you a glimpse of how big the Sky Club is. Wow, this space is really vast and the vibe is very laid back here. I'm liking this. There are two bars here, and they have an elegant, modern look. You'd never know you're in an airport by looking at them, and there are plenty of places to sit at and around them. I love aviation, so I went right for the window to check out some of the ongoing construction at this airport. I'm expecting this view to look quite different in the future. While I pondered sitting in the very stylish chairs scattered throughout the Sky Club, I was hungry, so I went right for the buffet. I visited around lunchtime, and the selection was the grandest that I'd have ever seen during the pandemic. In Sky Clubs I had visited prior to this, much of the food was individually wrapped and mostly cold, but this spread was full of variety and offered more diverse options. There were actually two buffets at the Sky Club, and during the time of my visit, most of the items were the same in each. This Sky Club is among the few that actually has an outdoor deck, so obviously I'm going to go take advantage of that. As a fan of alfresco dining, I carried my food outside to the sky deck. I'm outdoors on the sky deck here at the Salt Lake City International Airport Delta Sky Club. There's a glass window behind me, which is very nice. That kind of protects you from the wind. And I really like this feature behind me. There's fans there, so it actually doesn't get too hot. It is a super hot day here in Utah today, and I'm really appreciative of the fact that they have these fans here. There's even a TV here outside. I've decided to take my food from the serving area and eat it here outdoors. I had a pork sandwich Hawaiian style. I was motivated by the flights that I saw departing for Hawaii in the terminal. It was a great sandwich and I became quite full with it, so I relaxed on the sofa under the cool breeze from the ceiling fans. I'm really enjoying this space and there's hardly anybody here. I tried various seating positions, but for me the best seat was the seat that provided the views of airplanes on the brand new ramp at SLC. It's just so rare to be outdoors beyond TSA and to be able to hear the sound of aircraft in person. There are plenty of places to sit outside, and even while outdoors, if you need some extra power, this Sky Club has got you covered with power outlets located below the tables. They've thought of everything. Before I go back inside, I took a look at the club's floor plan located on the wall here. I'm going to head back in because I do have a flight to catch later. Yes, I am in an airport. This is the first time I'm seeing flames in an airport, but it is behind protected glass. The fireplace was an amazing touch to the club, and I can imagine that during the winter months, it would add a very cozy feel to the atmosphere, but I'm visiting on a hot summer day. I actually did feel some heat when I stood near the flames. The Sky Club is a very aesthetically pleasing place, and the designers made good use of colors and art. Showers were not available due to the ongoing pandemic, but I did get to use the restroom, which was bright and clean. Luxury soaps were replaced with sanitizing soaps when I visited. Delta is taking extra precautions during these times, and I used the sanitizing soap to wash my hands. A touchless flush and touchless door opener were really nice to have during a pandemic. Outside, you can see the diversity of the various areas of the Sky Club. There are unique places to sit, things to gaze at, and places to power up. Craving a coffee? It's always available at the self-service coffee machine, and you can bring it to a seat that fits your needs. I don't think I felt this relaxed in any other Sky Club. There's something very special about this place. Even if you choose to stay indoors, there are plenty of windows that offer views of all the action at SLC Airport. I love the view, even with all the construction. Where are these airplanes going? A flight information display system in the club shows you all the departures for the next few hours. So take a seat, enjoy the views and all the things that you can do at this Sky Club, like enjoying beverages that are available, many of which are complimentary for guests. I know I'm certainly enjoying my experience here. This is such a new, fresh, and clean place, and one of the best Sky Clubs that I've ever visited. Attention to detail was clearly utilized when this club was designed. I love how this Sky Club affords me the opportunity to pick the kind of atmosphere that I want to be in to sit in. I just didn't stick to one seat during my stay here. This Sky Club also offers sweeping views of the departures hall of the A concourse. Not only is this Sky Club brand new, the entire terminal is brand new. It's quite a difference from the old SLC. As a hub for Delta Airlines, this is a busy airport, but the Sky Club is a way out of the hustle and bustle of the busy gate areas and restaurants below. You can surely see why the Sky Club is a haven for everyone to enjoy. I love the interactive art here. Now this is the ultimate in privacy. I'm inside one of the privacy booths right now. This booth is actually soundproof. I cannot hear anything from the outside world. It's amazing. This is a fantastic place to make phone calls, video calls, whatever you need to do, and have total privacy. However, you can see outside. The lighting in here is also very, very bright, so if you are going to be making any video calls, this will illuminate your face very, very well. I wish I had some Zoom calls to make right now. I don't, but it would be really awesome if I did, because I've got nobody around me to hear anything. And just outside the privacy booths, seats allow for work to be done on a laptop. Well, it's time for me to catch my flight. I really hope you enjoyed this tour of the Sky Club at the Salt Lake City International Airport. It is an absolutely beautiful place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so that you're alerted as to every time I post a new video for you.